Good morning, student. Till now we complete with 3 chapters with the question answers. So today we start with a new chapter, chapter number 4, parts of a computer. Basically, computer having 4 main parts. First is monitor, second is keyboard, third is mouse, fourth is CPU. These 4 main parts join together and call a computer. Okay, in this monitor is look like a TV, means it show all the work which we are do with the help of mouse and keyboard. And CPU is used like our brain, because we are store all the data in our brain. In the same way, CPU also store all the data in the CPU. Okay, so let we start parts of a computer.
As we have different parts in our body, in the same way a computer also has many parts. All these parts work together to do any work in a computer. The parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and printer. Let us first talk about the monitor. A monitor looks like a television. We can see movies and cartoons on the monitor. It shows us the work done on the computer. Now let me tell you about the CPU, Central Processing Unit. A CPU is the brain of a computer. It looks like a box. It helps a computer to think and do work. Join the dots and color the picture.
So in your book, page number 24, same my activity is there. You also color this CPU with the help of different color, but also you have to join that dot also. Okay, when you complete with joining the dot, then use crayons and color it like this. You use any color, those color are available here. I am using that color. Okay, in the same way you have to do this.
Okay, children, let us now understand what a keyboard is. This is a keyboard. You must have seen a mobile, Casio, or calculator. Do you find anything common in them? Yes, all of them have a keypad with many keys. Each key has a different function. In the same way, a computer has a keyboard with many keys.
You all of you see computer. Okay, today I am just show you what are the different keys are present on a keyboard. This all keys, okay, is complete a keyboard. Total 104 keys are present on your keyboard. In that, this key, this upper key is called as a function key. Okay, this is called alphabetic key, and this is called a number key. Okay, alphabet because alphabets are there. This is number because numbers are there. After that, there are some function key also. In that, this longest key on the keyboard is called as a backspace key. Okay, after that, sorry, space bar key. With the help of space bar key, you can give the space with each word. Okay, within each word you can give the space. In the same way, tab key is there, caps lock key is there, shift key is there, control key, then some arrows key are there. There are different keys are there, but you need basic 2 3 keys, that is caps lock key, space bar key, and main this enter key. With the help of enter key, you can shift your cursor to the next line. Cursor means a eye, which is blink on your document. Whenever we do the practical, I will show you the cursor. Okay. Now continue with the next.
These keys are used to type letters, words, or numbers. Color the alphabet keys that spell your principal's name with sky blue color.
Okay. Our principal name is Mrs. Seema Mane. So, take a color, write our principal. Your name is Mrs. Seema Mane, and take a sky blue color and color it. SEEMAMANE. Seema Mane. Okay. Now next.
Color the alphabet keys that spell your computer teacher's name with yellow color.
Okay, you all of you know my name. My name is Tejashri. Okay, so you have to write Tejashri teacher and take a yellow crayon and color Tejashri keys. So TEJASHR and E are already colored. Okay, you have to do this activity in your textbook on page number 25.
Now, let us talk about the mouse. This is computer mouse. It looks like a real mouse. It has 2 or 3 buttons. It helps us to draw pictures, point at things on the monitor, and play games. Alright students, let me tell you something about the printer. A printer is used to take a printout on paper. Pick the alphabets from the ground and place them in the blocks to form parts of a computer.
Okay, so till now we learn about the parts of computer. First is monitor, second is CPU, third is keyboard, fourth is mouse, and fifth one is printer. Printer basically not a main part of a computer, but it is used to print out, or it is used to collect a hard copy. Okay, so these 5 parts of a computer are together called as a computer. Okay, so now we start with the next activity on page number 26. You have also do this activity in your textbook. So first one, you have to put, or you have to pick a alphabet and drag it in a blocks. So first is what? MOUSE, mouse. So collect MOU. So where is U? Here. U. And where is S? So first one is a mouse. Second one is a monitor. So you have to write here. You do not draw arrow. Okay, you have to write the spelling. So here MONITOR, monitor. Third one is KEYBOARD, keyboard. Okay. Fourth one is printer, PRINTER, printer. And fifth one is CPU, C, P and U. Okay, do this activity in your
Fill in the blanks using the given hints.
Okay, Now first fill in the blank. Dash is called as a brain of a computer. All of you know CPU is called as a brain of a computer. CPU means central processing unit. Yes. Next, we can type alphabets or a number using the keyboard. 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 Next, dash is used to take a printout on paper. So, printer. Just now say that hard copy. Hard copy means a paper. So, printer is used to take a printout on a paper. A dash show the work done on a computer. Yes, monitor because it is look like a television and it show all the work done by us.
Write T for true or F for false statements.
Okay. A monitor look like a television. Yes, just I say monitor is look like a television. You can watch the story on the CPU. No, CPU is store the data, so it is false. A mouse is used to draw a picture. Yes, with the help of mouse we can draw the pictures. A mouse has a many key. No, a mouse has a 2-3 key only. Keyboard has a many keys, so it is false. Go to the next section.
Tick the best answer.
Dash is used to point at things on the monitor. So with the help of mouse we can point at things on a monitor. A monitor look like a television. Then next is a computer has a keyboard with many keys. Next session.
Answer in one word.
So first one, what do you use to type letter, number or a word? Simple. With the help of keyboard, we can write letters, numbers or a word. So keyboard, keyboard. Which part of a computer help us to play a game? With the help of which part? Yes, mouse. 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 Okay. Next thing.
Rearrange the jumbled letters to get the name of a computer part.
So you have to rearrange these letters. So first one is mouse, mouse. Second is monitor, monitor. Third one is CPU. Fourth is keyboard, keyboard, keyboard. Next.
Complete the crossword with the help of pictures given below.
This activity is present on page number 28 in your textbook. So you have to complete this activity. Okay, I'm just showing one. You have to complete other. Okay, see, this picture is there. This is called mouse. All of you know. So here you have to write mouse, mouse. In the same way, this is called monitor. So you have to complete here monitor. In this way, this is called printer. So here printer, printer. This is called keyboard. So here you have to complete keyboard, keyboard. This is CPU. So you have to write here C, P and U. And this is hold called as a computer. So it is write computer, computer. You have to complete this activity. Understand all of you? If you not understand, again see this video, okay, and complete your brain developer exercise on page number 27 and 28. Also complete all the activity present in this chapter and write all the question answers in your notebook also. Thank you.